Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this Smartband by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your Smartband, make sure that the battery level on your Smartband is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the device dies during the resetting process, it might damage your Smartband. So once you charge the battery, we can continue. And now we can open the menu by pressing the side button, find the settings icon, settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the system and updates, and of course tap on it. And here find the option called reset. Confirm by tapping on the check mark, and the resetting process will start. Let's wait until it's done. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset the Smartband by using the system settings on it. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.